Hello everyone, welcome to Django tutorial series. In the previous lesson, I had discussed some fundamentals and basic of Django and the most common features that Django provides. In this tutorial, in this part, I'm going to discuss about some tools that we're going to use throughout the whole series. So first thing is first, so as we're going to use Django that is actually written in Python, so we must have Python installed on our machine. So this is the official site of the Python library. So you must download Python from here and install on your machine. So if you're on Linux or Ubuntu, then you must have Python installed by default. But if you're on Mac or Linux, then you must download and install Python on your machine. So as I am on Ubuntu, if I open my terminal and if I type Python dash dash version, then you can see that I have installed this version of Python. So I did not actually install this. I got it by default with the Ubuntu installation out of the box. So you must install Python first on your machine. Then another tool that I'm going to use is the code editor, and I'm going to use VS Code as the base code editor. So I guess it is the most popular code editor nowadays. So if you prefer some other code editor, you might use it, but I'm going to use VS Code. So depending on your OS, just download it and install it on your machine. So I've installed VS Code on my machine already. So this is my VS Code. And another thing that I'm going to install is an extension, that is the Python extension for VS Code. So that will actually make that will actually make it much easier to interact with the Python coding. So I'm gonna go to the marketplace and I'm gonna search for Python, and you will see this extension that is provided by Microsoft and VS Code itself. So just install this. Okay, so this is the basic these are the basic two tools, or you can call it language or prerequisite to start working on our Django tutorials. So that is all for this part. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.